Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. The holidays are here, and let me show you how to make our delicious and amazing salsa macha chili oil. But this chili oil is not spicy at all, but it has a delicious and amazing smoky taste that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and delicious smoky salsa macha chili oil, these are my ingredients: chicken bouillon, sesame seeds, vegetable oil, Japanese chilies, and you know that Japanese chilies are not spicy, chile pasilla, chile California, and of course 2 heads of garlic. Let me tell you, the holidays are here, and let's enjoy all those amazing dishes with this delicious and amazing, not spicy chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha. So let's get started. I want to start here by showing you the chili pots. 4 chile pasillas. I have the chile California. That is not spicy at all. The chile pasilla gives it a smoky and delicious flavor. The Japanese chilies are not spicy at all, but they're going to give this chili oil such a delicious and amazing flavor. Like I said, this chili oil is not spicy at all, but it has a very smoky and amazing flavor. And here on my little pot, I'm going to add 2 cups of vegetable oil. Let's take it to the stove and let's start making this amazing chili oil. I'm going to start by getting the oil nice and hot. How do we know when the oil is hot? Is when you add some pieces of tortilla and they float to the top and you see them nice and bubbling. Once the tortilla is bubbling right on the top, give it a couple of minutes, and once this is done, remove them. And now you're ready to add your chili pods inside. Add 2 or 3 at a time. You're gonna know when they're cooking really good because they're gonna get nice and fluffy. They're going to start releasing the amazing aroma of the chili, and they're even gonna change color. You can notice them that the chilies are going to start getting bright red, or they're going to get nice and puffy. These chilies got really nice and puffy, and the California chili pods are going to get really bright red when they're nice and toasted. So take your time when you're making this amazing chili oil. Be careful, you don't want to burn your chilies. Once they start releasing their oils and their aroma, it's time to remove. Look how easy it is. Remember, the chile California is going to change color really quick, and once it gets to a nice bright red, you're ready to remove. I'm adding, of course, all the Japanese chilies, and I want them to get all nice and crispy. Of course, I want them to start releasing the aroma of the chilies, and once they start releasing the aroma, I'm ready to remove them. Look how easy it is to make this amazing chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha. You don't like spicy food, but you really love the chili oil to be so smoky and delicious. Well, this is the best way to do it. I'm adding to that hot oil the 2 heads of the garlic cloves. I'm going to cook the garlic in very low heat. I want the garlic to really infuse the oil. So this part is very important. Lower the heat. Leave it in very low heat. When you see it boiling all around, it's already infusing the oil. This is what's going to give the chili oil such a delicious and amazing flavor. Once you make it my way, you're going to love your chili oil. Once it's bubbling all over, turn off your stove and just let it sit there. Let it come to room temperature so that the oil really gets infused with the garlic. Look at this. It's still bubbling. The stove is off. And now you could barely see one or two little bubbles. And now I'm ready to make this amazing chili oil. I'm adding all my chilies into my blender. Remember that all these chilies are not spicy at all. I'm going to add the garlic and I'm going to add the oil. And now, of course, I'm not going to forget, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon. We are going to blend completely for a couple minutes until it's really blended and the texture is going to be nice and creamy. My mouth is watering because I really love making this amazing chili oil that is not spicy at all, but it has a very delicious smoky flavor. Look at the texture, really creamy, everything blended completely. And of course, I am going to add some sesame seeds right on the top to give it that amazing taste, nutty taste, and it really goes well with this amazing chili oil. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in a bit. With this amazing chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha, that it's not spicy. The secret, I'm going to give you the secret. The secret so your salsa doesn't go stale or doesn't go bad, you do not dip the tortilla or the tortilla chip inside the salsa. You get a spoon, you add a little bit, and then you enjoy. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God. So delicious. It has such a delicious smoky flavor. All those chili pots and the chili and the Japanese chili gave this chili oil such an amazing taste. Let me tell you. Once you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family for the holidays, you're going to say, Cooking with Gloria really makes delicious chili oil. Excuse me. So delicious. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chili oil that it's not spicy, but it has so much flavor, smoky flavor. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.